Welcome to Lexicon. Learn to speak confident English.
If I want to speak better English, I need to learn more vocabulary. But what if I'm not sure I'm using it right? Or worse, I don't even remember it.
Yes, that's true. Learning vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. You just need to learn it in a way that helps you remember and use it. Exactly. When people start learning English, one of the first things they focus on is vocabulary. So they keep a vocabulary notebook. They learn hundreds of words from different word lists. But after a few days, most of those words are gone. Why? Because the goal isn't just to know more words. The goal is to remember them and use them naturally. Today, let's learn a much better way to build your vocabulary. Most learners study vocabulary like this: abundant, plentiful, reluctant, unwilling, diligent, hardworking. You read them once, maybe twice. A week later, they're gone. Why? Because your brain doesn't remember isolated words very well. It remembers situations and context much better. Learn vocabulary like this: word, fragile, meaning, easy to break, sentence. Please handle this glass carefully because it's fragile. Now you're not just remembering the meaning, you're remembering a real situation where you can actually use the word. The three-step method. Whenever you learn a new word, don't stop at the meaning. Ask yourself 3 questions. What does it mean? How is it used? Can I make my own sentence with it? If you can answer all 3, you'll remember the word much longer. Let's take another example. Imagine you've just had a wonderful meal with your friends. Friend 1, the food was good. Friend 2, the food was fantastic. Friend 3, the food was terrific. Notice something. Don't just memorize good, fantastic, and terrific. Remember the entire situation. You're leaving a restaurant after enjoying your meal. Now those words have a context. That makes them much easier to remember. Here's another one. Basic. I was happy to see her. A more natural way to say it? I was delighted to see her. Or, I was thrilled to see her. Again, don't remember only the words. Remember the situation in which you would naturally use them. Let's learn a few words using the same method. Curious. Meaning, wanting to know or learn something. Example, children are naturally curious about the world. Hesitate. Meaning, to pause before doing something. Example, don't hesitate to ask questions. Reliable. Meaning, someone you can trust. Example, she's one of the most reliable people I know. Appreciate. Meaning, to value someone or something. Example, I really appreciate your help.
Now it's your turn. Write one original sentence using each of today's words: cheerful, convenient, encourage, determined. Create your own sentences. That's when these words become part of your vocabulary. Because watching a vocabulary video doesn't improve your vocabulary. Using the words does. And remember, if you don't use it, you lose it. The next step is to start using these words in your conversations. So before you leave, write one sentence for each word in the comments or in your notebook. I'll see you in the next lesson.
Thank you for joining. Keep watching for more.